we will make glowing eyes in midjourney, something midjourney doesn't want to do, as well as using Very Region to get it. For that, we have to check if we get Very Region. We go to settings, and there we make sure that remix mode is on. It needs to be green. Never deactivate remix mode. You will love it. Next, we first try, of course, a guy with glowing eyes. It doesn't work. The best one got not really what we mean with glowing eyes, but what midjourney knows. The artifacts you see when somebody makes a photo of you and you got glowing eyes. Exactly that, not the complete eye. So we need to find something that got glowing eyes, like Batman. Batman with glowing eyes should produce something with glowing eyes, like Batman. Now we click on Very Region and we select everything except the chin, because we want some human features, and the eye parts. So they stay because we want those glowing eyes. And we say now what we want. We don't even need to mention the glowing eyes. A long-haired woman with glowing eyes, a stunning dress. The standard stuff. And of course, we got a beautiful woman with glowing eyes and stunning dress. But we don't like the Batman in there. So we remove it with another Very Region. Just select everything you don't like. Too much dark shadow behind the eye from Batman, remove it. The glow behind, remove it. And the chin, of course, remove it. She needs a little bit more, less Batman. We don't want to scare the Joker. And now we got some beautiful woman with glowing eyes. However, you already got a character, then we take another route. We make the character whatever, he a long-haired dude in a city. And now he doesn't have glowing eyes, you see that. Very Region. And the first test was Batman with glowing eyes. You see later what I did there. And we select the eyes. But the eyes are too small, that's why we have to select this area. And we write Batman with glowing eyes. Then we got some beautiful Batman with glowing eyes. The Bat Mask. We take the one we like and use Very Region and select everything but the eyes inside. Now you have to mention the glowing eyes. A guy with glowing eyes. You see, not the eye inside. midjourney will still change it. However, since it already knows it's a glowing bright color, it will keep it as glowing bright color. And the best ones look amazing. Now you just have to pick what you want. However, you saw previously I had here a guy with glowing eyes. To skip the Batman step, this produced those. The eyes glow as well. However, when we take a look at the best ones, this is the photo glowing again, not what we want. And this looks just ugly. Therefore, do the middle step, turn the guy into Batman, that way he looks cooler.